Checking if two arrays are broadcastable in Python. According to the documentation, this URL, two arrays are broadcastable if one of the following conditions are true. I tried to implement this in Python, but having a trouble in understanding the second and third rule. Not getting the answer that I am expecting, but I want to know what error that I am making in my code and a possible solution to this error.
Here's a concise expression to check if two arrays are broadcastable. Here is the same thing using numpy's own broadcast function.
I haven't tried to implement this as code, but the way I reason things is: compare the shapes. If one has fewer dimensions, add ones at the start to match. Again compare, replace all ones with a corresponding dimension from the other array. For example, if I have a 3,1 and 3 array, expand the 3 to 1,3. Now change both to 3,3. In another recent question I use broadcast_2. I start with a nd array, reduce one dimension to 1 with np.mean, and keep dims, and then re-expand it with broadcast_2. Arbitrary n-dimensional repeat of n-dimensional numpy array. In a recent answer, this URL, a 2,3, is broadcasted with a 4,3, with a column, none, makes the 4,3 into a 4,1,3, there's an implied final colon. B is automatically expanded from 2,3 to 1,2,3. Now both can broadcast to 4,2,3. So the 2,3 can't broadcast with 4,3, same ND but different values. But it can broadcast with 4,1,3.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.